In this video, I'll show you how to extend a clip. For this tutorial, I'm using royalty-free footage from Pexels.com. Let's say you don't have enough footage, and in this footage, the people here turn towards the viewer. And let's say we want to get a little bit more of that. This tool down here is called the Generative Extend Tool. Let's click on that. When you click on it, you'll get this dialog box that says Generative Extend. Just click and drag and seamlessly add a few more frames to the beginning or end of a video or audio clip. So this works with audio too. It's powered by Adobe Firefly, and it can generate an additional 2 seconds of video, 10 seconds of audio, or 2 seconds of combined video and audio. Let's get started. So let's click at the end of the clip and drag it to the right. Now I'm dragging it over here, but it's only letting me drag for 2 seconds. And here we go. It's generating the clip right now, so we have to wait a couple of seconds. All right, instead of seconds, it was actually 2 minutes. So be prepared to wait around or take a little break. Let's watch what it looks like from here to the end. So what I gathered from that visual is it's just a still image, but it's moving around a little bit in the frame. Watch it again. So the people are not moving. It's the image that's moving. So keep that in mind if you want to add extra footage to whatever footage you're using.